Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students. So dear students, today is the lecture number 9th of class 10th biology. In the last video number 8, lecture number 8, we have completed the digestive system of the human beings. We have studied the different parts of the human being in the digestive system of human being. Today we will start the digestion of food in different parts of alimentary canal. You know very well the digestive system of the human being consisting of the two parts, alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Second one, the digestion, we have to study digestion of food in the different parts of alimentary canal, means when the food will pass through the buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, then rectum, then it is removed out the undigested food through the anus. So how the digestion of different foods takes place in the different parts of the alimentary canal, today we have to discuss. A very rough diagram already I have given here. This is the rough diagram of the digestive system and the different sub parts of the digestive system already we have discussed in the previous video. If you have watched, then it's okay. Otherwise, first of all watch the lecture number 8, then come on this video. So first of all, today we will study digestion in buccal cavity. Digestion in buccal cavity. So dear students, tell me one thing, what is buccal cavity? So buccal cavity is a hollow space in the mouth in which you have to keep the food. The hollow space of the mouth cavity or mouth, that is called the buccal cavity. So in the buccal cavity there are the two types of digestion. First one is the mechanical digestion. And second one is the chemical digestion. Two types of the digestion of food takes place in the buccal cavity: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion means chewing of food. Chewing of food, in which our teeth chew the food to make a bolus. To make a very soft part of the food, to make the very small, to break down the small food into small pieces, that is called the mechanical digestion. Again I am telling you, in the last video already I have told you the digestion of food starts from buccal cavity. Digestion of food starts from buccal cavity. So digestion in buccal cavity, the two types of digestion, first one is the mechanical, second one is the chemical. Chemical, how? Mixing of saliva. This is called the chemical digestion. In buccal cavity there are the different parts of the buccal cavity which helps in the process of digestion. First is the teeth. First one is the teeth. Teeth are the very hard part of the body which are made up of the calcium and phosphorus. This is the chemical composition of the teeth. The teeth of the human beings are made up of the calcium and the phosphorus. These are the hardest part of the body, and the teeth is covered by a special layer that is called the enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance of the body. Now the next one is the teeth of the human beings are of following type, means following characteristics. First one is heterodont. Heterodont means different types. The human teeth are of different types. In common word it is considered as heterodont. Second one is the thecodont. Thecodont means fixed into socket. fixed into socket. Fixed into socket means the teeth of the human beings are fixed into gums, right? That condition of the teeth is called the thecodont. Now the next characteristic feature of the teeth of human being is diphyodont. Diphyodont means appears two times. In the life of the human beings, two types of the teeth appears from the childhood to the adulthood condition. First one is the temporary teeth. Second one is the permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Okay. First one is the temporary teeth or milk teeth. Temporary teeth are also called the milk teeth. Permanent teeth are also called the, obviously it is called the permanent teeth. There is no name of other. That is all called the permanent teeth. The teeth of the human beings are of two types, appears two times in the life cycle of the human. That is why they are called the diphyodont. That is called, they are called the diphyodont. Heterodont means different types. Okay. So in the human beings, types of teeth are four types. First one is the incisors. Second one is the canines. Third one is the premolars. And fourth one is the molars. These are the name of the different types of teeth which are present in the human beings. Incisors helps in biting the food, cutting and biting the food. You also can say that cutting also. These are the front teeth. The front teeth are called incisors. The number of the teeth also I will tell you. Canines helps in tearing the food, crushing and grinding. Next, chewing and grinding the food. These are the different types of the teeth which are present in the human beings, and that is the function. Incisors are the front teeth, canines are the very sharp teeth which are two in the upper jaw and which are present, two are in lower jaw. Premolars, crushing and grinding, chewing and grinding the food. These are the back teeth. They are called the molars. Premolars, then molars. Okay, this is the function. Now I will tell you the number of teeth. Incisors, total incisors are 8 in human beings. Permanent teeth. Okay, I should write like this. Okay, I'm just writing here. Permanent teeth formula. This is called dental formula. 2123 upon 2123 into 2 is equals to 16 by 16 is equals to 32. Okay. This is the permanent teeth formula or the dental formula. I, C, PM and M. I for incisors, C for canine, PM for premolar and M for molar. and M for molar. So what are these? This is the number of teeth in half upper jaw or half lower jaw. This is the number of teeth in half upper jaw. Half means from this side to this side. And when you will multiply by 2, then this total number of teeth in upper jaw 16, in lower jaw 16. Multiplied by 2, so 16 is equal to 32. Total teeth are 32. It means in upper jaw 2 ja 4 incisors. 2 ja 4. So 4 and 4, 8. Incisors are 8. Canines 1 ja 2, 1 ja 2, 2 to 4. Canines are 4. In 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw. Premolars 2 ja 4, 2 ja 4. It means 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw. Premolars are 8. Molars 3 ja 6, 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw. That is the molars are 12 in number. Now milk teeth formula. Milk teeth formula is equals to 2102 upon 2102 into 2 is equals to 10 by 10 is equals to 20. Same formula, incisors, canine, premolars and molars. It means in the childhood condition, when the childs are having the milk teeth, they don't have the premolars. Instead of premolars, they have the molars teeth, which performs the function instead of the premolars, and molars are also in less in quantity. They are having in permanent teeth 6 in upper jaw, 6 in lower jaw, whereas in the milk teeth 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. So this is the dental formula. So I was discussing about the buccal cavity. In buccal cavity, first one is the teeth, which helps in the process of digestion of food. They are helpful in the process of breaking or chewing of the food. Now, second part in the buccal cavity which helps in the digestion of food, that is the tongue. Okay, tongue is a fleshy, muscular part which helps in mixing of saliva with food, taste and speaking. This is the function of the teeth. A tongue has taste buds. Due to the presence of the taste buds, we are able to identify, we are having the sense of the different taste. The tongue has the 3 types of the taste buds: sweet, sour and bitter. These 3 taste buds are present on the tongue, which are helpful in the sensation of the taste of food. Tongue is a muscular part. Taste buds, I told you about 3 types. Sweet taste buds means which have the sense of the sweet taste. Sour means khatta. Third, bitter means kadwa. Okay. Now, helps in speaking also. So in buccal cavity, one is the teeth are present, which helps in the digestion. Second one is tongue, which is helpful in the process of digestion. Now, third one. B is the tongue. Third one is the salivary glands. Salivary glands are the special glands which release the saliva, and the chemical of these glands the chemical of these glands is helpful in the process of digestion of food. So you can write here, release the chemicals for digestion. Chemicals for digestion. Salivary glands are of 3 pairs. In human beings, 3 pairs or total 6 glands are present in the human buccal cavity. First one is the parotid glands. Second one is the sublingual. Third one is the submaxillary. Submaxillary. One pair, and one pair. Okay. These 3 types of the glands are present in the human buccal cavity. They are combinedly known as the salivary glands, and the collectively chemicals released by these 3 glands are called salivary amylase or ptyalin. It's a very important question. It is a very short type of question, that which chemical is released from the salivary glands. Then answer is salivary gland release the special chemical that is called the salivary amylase or ptyalin, and this is the collective secretion of the all 3 pairs of the gland: parotid, sublingual and submaxillary. Now salivary amylase helps in the digestion of carbohydrate. As you know very well, when we eat the food, then in our food different food components like protein, fat, minerals, vitamins, and carbohydrates are present. So out of them, the digestion of the food starts from the buccal cavity, and the digestion of carbohydrate starts from the buccal cavity. Okay. So this is the digestion in buccal cavity. Now after that, after the buccal cavity, the next part is the pharynx. So in pharynx, no digestion takes place. Next one is the digestion of food in esophagus. Second one, digestion of food in esophagus. Digestion of food in esophagus. No digestion of food takes place in esophagus. No digestion of food takes place in esophagus. Only peristaltic movements takes place through which, by which food passes to the stomach. Okay. Now for example, you can see here, this is the esophagus. When the food bolus is here, then in esophagus no digestion of food takes place, but here in the esophagus a special type of the movements takes place, that is called the peristaltic movement. Due to the presence of the peristaltic movement, the food is transferred or passed from here, then here, then here. Means when the esophagus will contract and relax, then the food or bolus is transferred. The food is transferred from esophagus to the stomach. So it means in esophagus no digestion of food takes place. So dear students, for today this is the enough. And the next part of this alimentary canal, the digestion of the food in the next part of the alimentary canal, we will discuss in the next video. So till that, students, keep working, have the proper practice, make the proper notes. All the best. God bless you.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.